So listen, y'all. Man, what's going on, man? I know I'm a little late to the game, but I appreciate one of my subs for sending me this photo of this car, man, and sending me a couple links to the videos that they got up so far. So first and foremost, man, listen, shout out to Driveway Demons, man. Listen, everybody was giving my guy like a bunch of shit for saying that this car was coming out and that he was getting all this exclusive news. 100% respect this guy for staying true to what he believes and just being humble, man, not caring about what nobody else got to say about him. Because now all of a sudden everybody's like, oh well, yeah, he was right. Widebody finally confirmed. Like, he been telling y'all that for months. So shout out to my guy at Driveway Demons, man. Also shout out to RT Life as well. I seen his video. I always watch RT Life videos when he do his little interviews and stuff on the cars, or it's just his quick little cinematic things of his cars. I seen the 2020 Widebody. It looks amazing, man. Now, actually, you know what? I'm gonna roll this footage. It's Donnie RT. This is his footage. Go follow his channel. I picked his footage because he had a really quick and simple overlook of the car, and I like this video because the way he did the video is you can see some differences and some changes about the car. A lot of people probably didn't notice. I didn't see anybody really break down some of the things that's with the car. And from the beginning, the first thing you can see is it now has the front bumper from the Durango and the also the track haul. That was one of the main things I like. Who knows? This is a concept. I want to throw that out there. This is not guaranteed what we're going to get or the final product. It's just a concept. So if you guys notice also, the Widebody, obviously the Widebody flares is the whole part of it. That's why they brought the car. Well, I don't believe that car is gonna come with those wheels. I really hope that they come with the Widebody wheels. That's what I'm hoping for. So now, what I noticed is the rear spoiler. The rear spoiler looks a lot better than the current spoiler. I like the spoiler on the new Hellcats on the Challengers. That spoiler is nice too. The spoiler that they have on this right now is it's curved up more, and it looks thinner towards the end of the spoiler. And it's kind of like more sleek towards the end of the trunk, the insides of the trunk. I like it. It looks a lot better. It looks a lot more sportier, and it has more, to me, it has more curves on the spoiler. So I like that. Again, it's not a final product. We don't know if we'll get that. I'm pretty sure they're doing this concept just to get some feedback. But I like it. I would buy it just like that. Change the wheels, and I would buy it just like that. I want to see the car with a regular paint color on it, because again, the camo is kind of throwing me off. I'm not 100% with the camo. It makes the car look it makes the body lines and the shape of the car look a little different. I don't know if anybody else got that kind of feel from it, but to me, it makes the body lines and the shape of the car look a little different with the wrap that they have on it. So I kind of want to see it with just a regular paint color on it, a solid color, maybe black, white, or even it should have brought out the sublime green with the Widebody. That would have been a deal breaker for me right there. That would have been it. Man, I want it. Take my money right now. But I'm trying to think. Was there anything else about that? It wasn't really anything else. It didn't show any. There's no interior differences. What I expect is for them to obviously they're gonna add the new stitching to this Hellcat 2 with the same as the 2019s, how they have the stitch dash now. Hopefully by this summer, this car is out. I want this car so bad, so hopefully by this summer it's out. I may not be able to get it as soon as it comes out. Listen, man, go give my guy Driveway Demons a sub, man, if you haven't already. And Donnie, appreciate that video, man. That was a great short clip, and it was perfectly done. It's really a crispy, clear image. Donnie RT is his name, and then also give a follow to my guy RT Life, man. He also put out a great video on the Concept 2020 Widebody charger. So shout out to those guys, man. Listen, it's getting good, man. We run the world right now. Like, I don't own one, but Mopar, man, Mopar no car, baby. We own the world, man. Ain't nobody doing things like we doing it right now, and I don't think nobody gonna be able to do things how we doing it ever. So let's just get that out there. But I appreciate all y'all for watching. I'm out, man. Listen, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. It's 49 degrees, man. It's nice out. It ain't cold. Have fun, man. Drive safe, y'all. I'm out, man. Peace.